Why does ocean acidification also cause ocean deoxygenation? Imagine the ocean as a giant, bustling city where countless tiny workers keep everything running smoothly. Now, what if the air suddenly changed, making it harder for these workers to do their jobs? That's what's happening with ocean acidification and deoxygenation. When carbon dioxide from the air dissolves into seawater, it reacts with water to form carbonic acid. This makes the ocean more acidic and disrupts the natural balance of chemicals that marine life depends on. As the acidity increases, it becomes tougher for creatures like corals and shellfish to build their shells and skeletons because they rely on carbonate ions. This stress on marine animals affects their ability to grow and survive, which in turn impacts the entire food chain. But how does this chemical change connect to the decrease in oxygen levels in the ocean? When carbon dioxide levels rise, they also influence the tiny plants called phytoplankton that float near the surface. These plants use sunlight to produce oxygen through photosynthesis. If acidification reduces their growth, less oxygen is produced in the upper layers of the ocean. Meanwhile, stressed marine animals respire more slowly or die off, and their bodies decompose, which consumes oxygen. Adding to this, warmer ocean temperatures caused by increased carbon dioxide make the water layers more separate, or stratified. This means the mixing of oxygen-rich surface water with the deeper layers slows down. Without this mixing, oxygen from the atmosphere can't reach the deeper parts of the ocean as easily. As a result, oxygen levels in these deeper zones drop even more. All these factors combine to create a less hospitable environment for marine life. Fish, coral reefs, and other creatures struggle to survive when both pH levels drop and oxygen becomes scarce. This can lead to fewer species, weaker ecosystems, and less food for humans who depend on the ocean for their livelihood. Understanding how acidification and deoxygenation are linked helps us see why reducing carbon dioxide emissions is so important. These changes are driven mainly by human activities like burning fossil fuels, which releases large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. If we don't act, the health of our oceans and the life they support could face serious challenges.